Welcome back to Mac's Garage. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and do it. I just wanted to show you something real quick. This is going to be a short video. This heater box is out of a 2004 Dodge Ram 2500 with a Cummins turbo diesel. And I'm going to bring you in and show you what I'm talking about. So on this heater box, this is our fan motor down inside of here. This is the driver for fresh air and recirculation. So this determines if the air is being pulled from inside the cabin of the truck to run back through the heater or AC system, or if you're getting fresh air from outside. So this is kind of interesting because we've got the motor, the plastic driver here. There was no door. Look at that. So no door there, no door over here, no remnants of a door, no chunks, nothing like that. Yeah. So here's the other thing, and this probably isn't going to show up on camera, but if you look down inside of here, this is really not going to show up. But there's an equal amount of grime inside of this as there is on the outside. So I really think this thing has never had a recirculation door in it. Yeah, that's Chrysler quality from the Daimler era. Right at the top of its game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.